Hello, Patrizia. How are you?
Hello, I'm very good, thank you. And you?
Very nice, thank you. Patrizia, could you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Patrizia Volunghi. I'm the founder and managing director of our company, Sweet Solutions.
Hi, Federico. How are you? Could you introduce yourself, please?
Okay. Hi, I'm Federico. I'm a teacher, a programmer. I program mainly on web languages, and my main focus now is Suite solutions and Zoho, of course.
Okay, nice. Patrizia, can you tell us about the Suite Solutions? What exactly makes this company?
Yeah, we founded Sweet Solutions back in 2013, and we suddenly applied to be Zoho partner. Since then, we have developed many projects of Zoho, and we'd like to introduce ourselves as a real consulting company.
Okay, can you tell us how long do you work with Soho?
Yeah, we started being partner with Zoho back in 2014, beginning of 2014, and we've been the first one certified for Zoho Creator in Italy.
I work with Zoho uh, basically for 1 year.
Great. And can you tell us with which kind of tools of Soho do you work? Because Soho has more than 20 different tools, right?
Yes, most popular tools that our customers are asking us for are for sure Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, Zoho Campaign, Zoho Support, and we are also specialized in Zoho Creator.
Why Soho Creator? Why you are specialized in it?
Yeah, we really like to develop projects with Zoho Creator because it's very flexible and we can respond to all customers' needs. Especially, we present to customers a very comprehensive tool to develop a well managing software.
You can adapt your application to your customer request. So I think this is the most important part about Zoho Creator.
Nice. And what about Soho Creator University degree? I mean, you was already specializing in this area, and why did you decide to get this degree for one of your students from your company? I mean, what it gives for you, for your business?
Yeah, we thought to enroll one of our technicians to this course because we want to improve his skills, and we are really interested into increasing the training and the qualification of our team members. So we decided to enroll it with no doubts.
Federico, can you tell us what do you study in this course and what kind of new skills or new knowledge have you get
Okay.
from this course?
Well, the master is very general. It starts from the beginning. So if you didn't know anything about Zoho Creator, you can learn from scratch. But I think it's really useful even if you already work with Zoho Creator, because any lesson goes in depth in a particular field. I think this is very useful.
Okay. And what about your strategy on using this education on Soho Creator University degree? Do you have any plans on applying this knowledge of the Federico, I mean your technician of your company?
Our main goal would be to enroll at least one technician every year. So hopefully, Sweet Solutions will enroll at least one person at every edition. So the experiences now has been successful, and we will enroll other person of our team for sure.
Patrizia, can you tell us any kind of successful project that you are proud of that you have done with these tools?
Yeah, talking about Zoho Creator, we have actually a very successful story with the customer using more than 40 licenses of Zoho Creator in Italy. They are a big retailer active in the sector of perfumeries, and they are keeping on expanding the Zoho Creator project involving always many people in their organizations, and hopefully they will export this project also abroad.
Very nice. Thank you very much, Federico, Patrizia, for this talk. I wish you even higher success in this business, and I hope in the proximate our degree editions we will have you as a speakers sharing your experience and sharing your case studies and sharing your success to others. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That would be our pleasure. Thank you. Bye bye.
Wow, holy.
Now
A lot of content.